Next, as we go a little deeper into listening skills, these are few interesting facts that we have to know about listening skills. We listen at 125 to 250 words per minute. Okay, but you know something? The most interesting thing is that we listen at 125 to 250 words per minute, but our thinking process is like 1000 to 3000 words per minute. So to remember this, I want you to understand we mostly listen to reply. Chandaye eppo varudhu theriyuma? When you listen to somebody to give a retort, to give a reply, okay, instead of listening to understand. So it's like you listen to somebody, that is the stimulus, okay, and you give a response, you know, it is like this. But as you mature, learn more about listening skills, the stimulus is given and there is a lot of gap, you know, between your stimulus and response, and between your stimulus and response, this gap is what you call choice. Idu therinjichina the கோபப்படுறவங்க கோபமே பட மாட்டாங்க. Okay, our stimulus கொடுத்துடுறாங்க. Somebody is giving you the stimulus. In this class, the stimulus is positive. We are sharing knowledge. So my stimulus is knowledge. But in a negative scenario, when somebody makes you angry, makes you upset, that is a stimulus that is given to you. Okay, and there is here your reaction to it. Okay, there is your reaction. But in between your stimulus and response, there is a gap which is called your choice. You can even in your personal setup and professional setup, just try this. So the more gap that you have between your stimulus and response, the more mature you are. ஒருத்தங்க ஒன்னு சொன்ன உடனே நீங்க கோபப்படுறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா உங்க ஸ்டிமுலஸ் எங்க இருக்கு, ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எங்க இருக்கு? There is no gap, there is no maturity, there is no choice. You got it? That's exactly what the first point says. We listen at 125 to 250 words per minute. We listen pandrom, but there is a lot of thought traffic for us. So one of the sessions, you know, to start the new year, we always look at the past with lot of tears, okay, and we look at the future with lot of fears. So avoid both and live in the present with cheers. Okay, we saw that beautiful poetical quote. Appadina enna eppa paathalum we keep thinking about the past and we are so worried, upset, we have regrets. We keep looking at the future again with lot of fear, you know, with negative anticipation and all that. So in the thought process nama control pannanu, because even in a class when I'm talking, when the faculty is talking, you have this listening barrier. More than listening taking place, it's lot of thought traffic that really destroys the learning process. Point number 2, 75% of the time we are distracted, preoccupied or forgetful. Look at the kind of quality of life that we are leading. Okay, 75% of time. 20% of the time we remember what we hear. Look at the percentage. 20% of the time we remember what we hear. And more than 35% of businesses think listening is a top. These are few facts, okay. Fast facts, okay. Fast facts about listening skills. 35% of businesses think listening is a top skill for success, because when you are really exercising listening, you can even hear the unspoken word. சொல்லப்படாத வார்த்தைய கூட உங்களால கேட்க முடியும் if you exercise listening skills. But சொன்ன வார்த்தைய கூட நம்மளால கேட்க முடியலனா, just imagine what is the quality of our life. Okay, so the last point is less than 2% of people have had formal education with listening. Okay, that's the reason when I started the session I said it's a very important session. Listening is again something that you have to be formally trained. Okay, because எல்லா நாலேஜுமே அந்த லிசனிங்ல இருந்து தான் வருதுன்னு சொல்லும்போது, when you take it so lightly, when you overlook it, okay, then who is the loser? Only the end users are the losers. The people sitting at the other end receiving the knowledge are the losers. Okay, so less than 2% of people. So you should be fortunate today if you are present in this class. You are that 2% of people who are being given a formal education in listening skills. How you have to listen in class. and how we are not able to listen in class, and how listening is one major method, way, medium, source through which knowledge gets into us. Clear? Yes. So the next thing about so when talking about these facts about listening, we should also know this one very important thing about hearing and listening. I always keep telling you that. Okay, hearing is different from listening. So what is hearing? Hearing is very, very accidental. Some of you are accidentally inside the class. Okay, it was an accident. It was not an incident. Okay, you didn't decide to be here just because you needed the attendance, or people would ask you, why aren't you attending class? You make it accidental, but actually there is nothing. Even if an accident happens to you, it's not an accident. Okay, for the Almighty it is an incident, because He knows everything. You got it? So hearing is accidental. Hearing is involuntary. You are not at all aware of it. So in class most of the students you sitting inside the classroom, you are in the hearing zone, which is very, very pathetic. Accidental, you come to class. Involuntary, okay, you don't have any control over your mind. Conscious and listen pannanume அப்படிங்கற thought எதுவுமே இல்ல. If I am able to listen, I will listen. If I cannot listen, I cannot listen. That's all. Okay. No exercising control over your mind, your thoughts. And the third point, it's effortless. What effort you need people to listen to songs. Okay, I'm not saying listening to songs is bad. But you do that to relax yourself. But that is not the attitude that you have inside a class. You can't effortlessly sit in a class and say, okay, let things go. Okay, okay, it is happening. It's not a movie that you are watching. What exactly happens inside a class is your listening skill. Your listening skill should be full-fledged. That talks about your discipline. So if there is no proper attendance in a class, it talks about what? It talks about your discipline. And what is discipline? Discipline is your character, correct? Health is lost. Nothing is lost. Wealth is lost. Something is lost. Okay, I'm sorry. Wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something is lost. Character is lost, everything is lost. So what do you take from the institution, the most reputed institution? Shouldn't it be discipline? But when that is not there inside the class, what are we talking about? We are talking about listening skills, and listening skills is absolutely discipline. So under listening skill, what you do is you are focused. Sitting straight, keeping your camera on, doing something about your camera that is not on today, your camera that is not working, your mic that is not working, all talks about your focus, the interest that you have for your subject. Next, voluntary. No, what is voluntary? When I ask you a question, how many of you volunteer? So, nobody need again come and tell you, give you a session, give you orientation. Voluntarily go do something about proper equipments and gadgets for the class. Few things, if you don't have, nobody is going to hang you. You take a prior permission. You take a prior permission. One call and you say, these are the, limitations that I have. These are the discomforts I have. Who says we wouldn't understand? You are most welcome to express yourself. And last, it is intentional. Okay, it is intentional. Okay, you have an intention. We hurt people intentionally, but do we do something good intentionally? So listening is also intentional. So we have seen the facts, fast facts about listening skills, and we have also seen about the difference between hearing and listening, applying it directly to our life. Okay, that's beautiful.